I know I need to vacuum in here and shit. But yeah, you can go ahead and get the oil feed line off. Get this off. 10 millimeter, 15. You guys can see that. I don't know how to tighten that shit up on there. Alright. Oh, that's exhaust leak. I see that. Catch in here. Okay. All right. Yep, that'll cause an exhaust leak. And then further investigate. Don't mind the fucking booger you hear, butter. Okay. Got a nice crack. Nice. So that's not good. Okay. A lot of little things to fix. This thing was leaking a bunch.